Hey y'all, it's taste test time. A friend of mine had some Indian snacks, Gujarati mix, I believe. If I may be in the right neighborhood, or not even the same state as pronouncing it correctly, but it was like crack, snack crack, the crack of snacks. It was amaze balls, and I had to have more. I happened to be in Trader Joe's, and they have a spicy Chakri mix, crunchy spicy Indian style snack mix, which is similar ingredients. I've seen Bombay mix online, which is similar. I guess there's like a million different variations. Let's try this one, shall we? It's got a Chakri, upon which this snack mix is based, are spiral Indian snacks, which in our version are based on rice flour. We've combined pieces of Chakri and a whole host of crunchy, spicy chickpea and rice-based tidbits, as well as peanuts, curry leaves. That's going to be the hard part for me, and turmeric. I'm not a fan of curry, but the rest of it could be interesting. Let's see. Trader Joe's usually doesn't let me down. Once in a while they do. Here's a little something. Very crunchy. Some little, well, by spicy they don't mean hot, just lots of spices. Apparently. The taste is okay. Not as good as the snack crack I had. And way too crunchy for my old man teeth. Haven't tried you, a little rice. Oh, and here's a little puff somethings. Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's mainly it's too crunchy. Beyond that, definitely not the same, but it may hold me over until I can find the Bombay mix, whatever. Because I can't remember the other word. Starts with a G. So, it's okay. Too crunchy for me. You youngsters will have no problem with that. That's a personal thing. It'll do until I can find my mix I want. So, That's it. It's a, yeah, it's okay. That's the official rating. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day and a great apocalypse. And we'll see you next time. Bye!